So at the very outset, I bring all and congratulations and to you from all the faculties of Speed and all the students of Speed and whatever as a team that we are in with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We bring all the wishes, all wholehearted wishes
Thank you,
for
sir.
your performance and your achievement. And it has been great to hear and great to see.
Thank you, sir.
Great to see as a surgeon to score 5th rank in MCH NEET SS 2020 for
Thank you, sir.
I think you're aspiring for neurosurgery, and
Yes,
the reason why you have given NIMHANS as well, and you have
yes,
scored
sir.
rank number 11 in NIMHANS. I think
Yes,
it's
sir.
not news, no? It is just come, just delivered.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Still that warmth is still there. I think I could see in your face also. I think
Thank you, sir.
so. You definitely will be a happy man today, and
Definitely, sir.
no doubt about it. Now you tell me as a surgeon, and they always say that a surgeon mind, surgeon can read. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I mean, I just want to hear from you.
Yes, sir.
Why neurosurgery? Why do you want to do neurosurgery? What made you to? Because most of the general surgeons are oriented for either gastroenterology or
Yes, sir.
surgical oncology,
Or
or
surgical
urology,
oncology.
something like that.
Yes,
And
sir.
why are you into neurology?
So first of all, I was always like I want to become a neurosurgeon only. But
Okay.
so in between my residency period, I was a little bit diverted towards HPB surgery and gastroenterology. But somehow I was not able to leave neurosurgery. Even I started preparing for gastro in my second year period, and even I bought some books also. But I was not able to leave neurosurgery. So I decided I left the study for 1 to 2 months, and I was like, I will make up my mind first. Then I was like, I am from only. I want to do a neurosurgery, and I want to become a neurosurgeon only. And sir, the thing about neurosurgery which fascinates me the most is that it is very challenging branch, and it is very upcoming, and it is very young branch. So I think every day you get a new thing in neurosurgery, and as compared to gastro and surgical oncology. So I was like, I want to become a neurosurgeon only.
Okay. Did you try after your after your MBBS for 5.5 years neurosurgery? Did you try that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That also helped me a lot. I made a drop for PG seat. I completed my MS General Surgery course this year only from SMS Medical College, Jaipur. But to get into that college, I dropped. And the drop was mainly because I was inclined towards NIMHANS only. I used to read only neuro and not general subjects. So I could not make it into it. So my friend suggested me go for NEET first, and then if your preparation will be good, you will crack NIMHANS also. So I was like, okay, now I will
So this
prepare
is a
for NEET only.
strategy.
Yeah.
You have built strategy.
Yeah. So that preparation also helped me for neuro.
Now I want to hear from you your journey from MBBS to MS now to
Yes, sir.
neurosurgery. What next?
So, sir, I want to in neurosurgery. I want to specialize or narrow down to skull-based surgery and spine. And but it is a very baby step now. Uh, but I want to do skull-based surgery and spine.
So now is it now 5th rank in NEET or 11th rank in NIMHANS? I mean, what is up?
Sir, at present, I made my mind for NEET All India Rank 5. Whatever seat I get, I will be I will go for GB Pant Hospital,
Okay.
MAMC. And in NIMHANS, sir, my rank is 11. So, sir, there is some dilemma, but I am more inclined towards GB Pant only.
So in case you get in NIMHANS, you feel
So that I will if I get, I'll decide, and I'll discuss with my parents, and I'll go ahead whatever they say or whatever. Because sir, now I have made my mind towards like GB Pant, and some of my seniors also told me that more or less both colleges are at par, and they provide a equivalent platform. You can do very well afterwards. So in
So
case I
they
get
told you the
NIMHANS,
good hands-on is there. You mean in your mind there's a good hands-on?
sir,
You
hands-on and hands-on plus advancements. They
yeah.
they were like coming period is more of advancements, and at least you should have seen the procedures at least. So that's why they advise me to go for GB Pant or NIMHANS or SGPGI. These three institutes are very good. You can do whatever suits you.
Okay. Now you tell us. I mean your preparation. No. What did you prepare? How did you prepare? I mean, when did you start? How many hours per day you studied? You studied full time, or you worked and you are studying part time? We want those details to know, so that see mostly people post MS
Yes, sir.
during MS everywhere they'll be working. So what
Yes,
is the
sir.
time allocation you did? How many hours per day you read?
Yes, sir.
So what was your mental status?
Yes, sir. The point when I decided to do neurosurgery at in the second year end, then I used to read neuro books only. I used to just go through one chapter a day, and my best decision was, sir, was when I was in third year, and in March this year when the lockdown was announced, and after the announcement of lockdown, 3-4 days after, I decided to join Speed,
Hmm.
and that was my best decision.
How did you do that?
Sir,
What made you do?
actually, my some of my seniors advised me ki, like join some coaching institute, but I, I used to like watching videos. So I found Speed which suited me a lot. So I joined it, and I used to go through Speed videos around 6 to 7 hours a day, and
Hmm.
that used to finish my major topics in neurosurgery, like neurovascular in one day, cranial trauma in one day, and spine trauma in one day, just going through the video. And I had made some notes, and I used to add uh, extra points on that notes only. And so the main preparation that helped me to get this rank, I guess, I think, is the general surgery part, which I watch your videos, sir, in Speed app, and sir, daily classes. I was about to give MS examination also. Our examination happened in August this year, and I just read your daily notes, and I had gone through the general surgery classes videos only, and I used to write all the answers very well briefly, and and uh, and it helped me in this exam also, NEET, and even in NIMHANS also. So I think somehow I like selected the right thing and
Did
did
you
right
attend
thing.
all the Bailey based classes? Did you attend the live classes?
Sir, I was unable to attend last 10 days. I was somewhat anxious, and I started reading neurosurgery only. But
Okay.
I attended from the start, and uh, except for last 10 days, I attended every classes, sir. Every
Okay.
1 hour or 1 hour, 1.5 hour classes I
Okay.
attended, and it helped me a lot, sir.
So really, I mean, great to know because a lot of efforts were behind that, and there are a lot of participation also there. And
Yes,
it
sir.
was almost every day there was a lot of discussion. It is almost a
Yes, sir.
discussion, class on discussion.
Yes, sir. Sir, I used to like the most important thing was that you used to compile every topics in cardiac, plastic, and like, sir, I want to mention you compiled one question: at what time surgery should be done, like in epispadias, hypospadias, congenital hydrocele. You used to compile everything from general surgery to cardiac surgery and plastic surgery, everything we used to get on a single paper, all the period of surgery, when to perform surgery. So this was the best thing, and it was in every topic. It was in every topic, sir.
So it's really nice to know and hear your compliments, and I'm really honored. And also like to know from Dheeraj. I mean,
Yes, sir.
from what you will advise uh, your next generation. That means next set of doctors who want to go for. See, I won't ask you. You prepared only for neurosurgery. You said you never
Yes, sir.
tried
Yes, sir.
second
No,
specialty
sir.
also.
No,
Never.
sir. No, sir.
So you didn't even
Only
write.
neurosurgery. No,
You didn't
sir.
even write.
No, only one. I selected only one branch only.
Only one branch.
I was
So
like,
you tell
why to
me.
divert my mind? Why to divert from the beginning only? I will write only neurosurgery only.
Yeah, that's something which is really focused, and it's, I mean, that's how it has to be. And
Yes, sir.
you tell me, that could be, I think also I'll also suggest, in case you want to do that, there should not be any
Yes, sir.
second choice. I mean,
Yes, sir.
if you want to be a gastrosurgeon, you have to be a gastrosurgeon. You want to be surgical
Yes, sir.
oncologist, surgical oncologist.
Yes, sir.
Neurosurgeon, nothing
Yes,
else,
sir.
or a plastic. So whatever might be, I think there should be one choice. Or
Yes, sir.
people generally go with option one of surgical gastro or onco, or
Onco.
surgical onco or gastro, something like that they go. But neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, and vascular,
Yes, sir.
and plastic covers entire all
Yes, sir.
aspects. These are very exclusive branches. I mean, everybody can have some hand in case it
Yes,
is
sir.
going to be gastro or onco. Everywhere they can put in a hand. But when it comes to neuro, cardiac, and vascular, they are very exclusive fields. I mean, a general surgeon or anybody
No,
in
sir.
other specialties cannot come and have a practice on that. So it's very
Yes, sir.
exclusive, and I always felt this exclusive branches. If you have a real passion to do it, and definitely
Yes,
you
sir.
have to go ahead and do it. Now, did you you tell me? I mean, I just want to ask you, when even we did the Bailey based class also,
Yes,
we
sir.
used to do questions from Schwartz, and I didn't
Yes, sir.
discuss from Subiston, but I made questions of Subiston and I posted at
Yes,
that.
sir.
Now you tell me, I want to hear from you that in the 40 questions in general surgery,
Yes,
where
sir.
all the questions from Bailey and Love of all three books.
Sir, I guess it was a mix of all three books, but sir, what we discussed before exam, it could cover 37 to 38 questions at least, whatever I can remember. But it was covering around 37 to 38 questions. Uh, and sir, you asked one more thing. Have I read Bailey? But so frankly, I haven't read Bailey. But after your Bailey classes announcement, I used to open the book and used to attend your videos, and I used to tick mark the main point you were mentioning while watching, and I used to just tick mark, and later I used to go through it, even images or scans, CT scans, everything.
So was it covering everything, or I'm leaving
Yes, sir.
something? Huh?
More than enough, sir. More than enough, sir.
Okay. So because we are going to start again for the next classes, I'm going to start the classes. Just I also want to know what are the improvisations has to be
Sir,
had.
sir, it is more than enough.
Okay.
The main thing is that we have to retain everything. We used to answer while we were attending the classes, but we have to produce that thing on the day of examination. That is main thing. At that time, we were answering, but the most important thing was to produce it on the day of examination. We used to answer the percentage also, and you
Yes.
you were like surprised how you can remember all these things. So it was very deep, in-depth study of Bailey.
But I couldn't see any percentage questions asked in the exam when I was
No,
discussing
sir.
the questions.
No.
There was no percentage asked.
No percentage asked.
I think little we are overdoing on that.
But sir, it used to boost our confidence. Like we used to think what more they are going to ask. We are learning, or we are remembering everything. We are trying to remember everything.
And I still find that answering those percentages by you people something beyond, because when we read and come to the class, then we could remember that. But
Yes, sir.
you could answer that. That is something which is really amazing. So
Sure.
now you tell what you want to tell to your juniors, and tell your people who are aspiring for neurosurgery, and what they should do and when they should start.
First of all, I would like to advise my junior about the selection of the branch first. Select the branch as early as possible and stick to it, and make your mind that you are going to do this thing only in your whole life ahead. Because and after that we can't change. It is going to like hit you back. So you can't go back. Take your time, ask your months, ask your seniors, ask your juniors, or ask your colleagues, everything, all aspects, and decide your branch as early as possible. And then start the preparation. Uh, and I will suggest my juniors to join this speed program, because uh, the videos which we watch, they are like they run in our mind even if we are not watching, and we can like visualize that in this class sir has said this thing. So and try to make your study material as consolidated as possible, so that we can revise afterward multiple times. And sir, for neurosurgery branch, I would like to say to my juniors that neurosurgery is not like a bad branch or a very hectic branch, as everyone says that your life will be very busy from now onwards and you will not able to do anything, or you will not able to attend your family functions and etc etc. But this is like I think sir, if you follow your passion, you can uh, uh, create time for everything. And if you follow your passion and not go like everyone is opting for gastro and onco, and you should also do for go for a gastro and onco. But at some point of your life you will think I should have done neurosurgery, or I should have done plastic surgery. So we should follow our passion, and it will like it will push us in hard situations.
And we are seeing a upcoming neurosurgeon in days to
Sir.
come and years to come. And
Yes,
I
sir.
also invite him to be a faculty in neurosurgery. Now he would have been
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
now you would have mastered the ways to prepare, and he knows what exactly to prepare now. Now it
Thank
will
you,
be
sir.
fine tuned now. Then I
Thank
wish
you,
him
sir.
as he settles in first few months, and then definitely I will contact you, and
Thank you, sir.
either
Thank you, sir.
to take few high lectures or the
Yes, sir.
topic in neurosurgery, to contribute whatever little you
Definitely.
can, and
Definitely, sir.
that could help the people who are coming and the next line of attempts for the
Yes, sir.
exam.
Definitely, sir. Thank you,
I
sir. Sir, I want to mention one thing. It was my best decision to join Speed after 3 days of lockdown. I remember that day when I saw my result, I was like, that was the turning point. I joined that. Otherwise, I would have like vaguely studied everything, and I don't think it was possible to achieve such a great rank, sir.
So how many times you saw the videos totally?
Sir, at least 3 to 4 times. Yeah, whole
Four.
videos 3 to 4 times I completed. And
Full.
I used to see at 1.5 to 1.75 speed, sir. First in first time I like on in a normal speed, and after that I used to put it on 1.5x or 1.75x speed, and just I used to
Same like
watch.
an earphone like
Yeah.
this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so it does some magic. It does some magic. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
So and so you have to now do more magic in neurosurgery, and I will call
Yes,
you
sir.
next month.
Yes.
Once you
Definitely, sir.
join, I kindly will keep in touch, and that
Yes, sir.
what little finer things we can do for the upcoming people and upcoming
Yes, sir.
students, we will
Yes, sir.
definitely do the best. Okay. Once
Yes, sir.
again, I wish you all the best and all the success, not only for this exam results, and also for your entire career,
Yes, sir.
as a neurosurgeon, as a
Yes, sir.
great brand on you, as you like what you wanted. Yes, and
Thank you, sir.
be happy and make people happy as you can, and
Yes,
also
sir.
give your best service in neurosurgery to all your patients in years to come.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and
Yes, sir.
wholehearted wishes to you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Have a great day and a great year ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, and stay safe.
Yes,
Stay
sir.
safe.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.